So what is SvelteKit? SvelteKit is an opinionated full-stack framework that ties the frontend and backend together, delivering the best developer and user experience. So as you can see in this image, here's the frontend and backend merging together to form the full-stack beast. So SvelteKit is made by Rich Harris and a group of amazing contributors, which we can find on GitHub, and I want to thank them and appreciate them for their hard work on SvelteKit and making it awesome. In simplest terms, Svelte does all the boring stuff for you and empowers you to build amazing things. So if we scroll down here, we can continue. This isn't just true for SvelteKit, but all the other meta frameworks you might have heard of, such as Next.js is built on top of React, or Nuxt that's built on top of Vue. So what is even a meta framework? A meta framework is just a term used to describe a framework that's built on top of another framework. So why do we even use meta frameworks? So for example, we can look at Remix, that's a web framework that's currently using React. And Next.js is something more traditional you might be familiar with that's built on top of React. And Nuxt is built on top of Vue. So my goal with this series is to show you how all these frameworks are similar and have the same concept. And despite the jokes about the new JavaScript framework being released each day, we as developers have come together and decided that the component model is the best way moving forward. So right now we're in the era of meta frameworks and tackling other problems around frontend, such as tooling, instead of reinventing how we build user interfaces. Because React's mental model of components already won years ago, and that was in 2016. So yeah, people joke about it and it's funny, honestly, but yeah. So if you're not familiar with frontend development, or the things I'm saying so far don't even make sense to you, I made SvelteKit for Beginners so you understand in the first place why you even use these base frameworks such as Svelte, React or Vue instead of just writing pure HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you can watch the videos here from the post, or you can read it if you prefer, up to you. So to understand the problems meta frameworks like SvelteKit solve, we need to go back and understand how single page application frameworks like Svelte or React work.